Six.
Let's do it.
Bad boy energy to the max.
Kiss. Oh, we can just eat. Is there anything good? 我最期待的时间。
Until you walk up to the box, don't forget the box is a little higher. Sit down. Use your left hand. Open your leg. That's it.
We want to dance like when we standing right. We need to dance until like da di da da da. Turn off what and dance or just.
No, this music.
I mean, so we need to.
Yeah.
そうですね、高校の時のバックステージでは、実際にはすごくいろんなことが起こってて、もちろんみんなで話して楽しい時間を。
Oh no! It's mine.
Queen, Jack Queen, and the model come at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, now one more time.
Okay.
Didi, Hugo, who are online, no friend. Dance. Hold was number 5. 3 and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more round, one more round from the beginning.
表には見えない部分っていうところですごくハプニングは。
Luis disappeared. Didn't need to.
例えばリハーサルに誰かがいないだったりとか、すごくタイトなスケジュールで早くみんなで、怒鳴ってたりとか、そうですね。
You do, but you have boyfriend. You have boyfriend, right? You have boyfriend.
2 minutes, stand by! 2 minutes, stand by!
Amor. Necesito beber agua. Necesito beber.
Hugo professionally is a monster because he is so good, so precise, so disciplined. There's technique behind it, but he also knows his angles, his body shapes, like what looks good and what doesn't.
他在工作上的话，就是真的是他也是一个非常专业的舞者，他是非常有热忱的，他是真的是为了跳舞而生的人。
Didi, nothing I can say, just like too professional, you know.
Didi is super professional, and I saw his videos when he dancing in his studio or when he teaching. He's amazing.
For me, Xavier has the biggest confidence. I even look up to it. It almost feels natural in a way. Like he's just able to exude it, like he knows who he is.
Xavier, yes, kind like crazy dancer, and his move is so big, and I like how he dance on the stage.
ヨハン彼に僕にとまた違った僕にはないセクシーさを彼は持ってると思うので、僕はすごくかっこいいなと思います。
雨涵的话，他是很享受舞台的，所以你跟他工作的时候，你不会觉得你不会尴尬，跟他工作的时候，你不会有那种就是很别扭的感觉，我们是可以很自在在台上一起工作。
Byron, everything is like Mr. Columbia. He's like very suited to be a Gogo boy. It's like everything, like the face perfect, the body's perfect, the attitude smile is like very professional smile, like perfect.
Nunoy is a sex, you know?
Nunoy, legendary.
Nunoy, every time when he on stage, he wears super sexy costume, and I really admire him.
We love the Highlife. We love the Highlife. We love the Highlife.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I was happy. Actually, Gogo dancer is quite fun. Like I can go to so many countries for perform. Most important thing is I can like understand the other country culture, and I can make friends in overseas. This is super fun actually. I hope I can be more international in the future. Maybe can performing in America or Europe. I hope so.
You have 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double. Ball again. Single, double. Ball. 1, 2, 3. 2 arms. 5, 6 to the floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and
ゴーゴーライフの中では一番やっぱりこんなに多くの国に行けるっていうことは普通だとあんまり経験できないことだと思うので、あとはいろんな国に行っていろんな人と会って、いろんなパフォーマンスをしながらいろんな人と交流ができるので、僕はすごく幸せに感じてます。
我会觉得 很幸运，因为做这个工作，然后我自己蛮享受在就是各个城市间去看到不同的风貌啊，然后去认识不同的人。
But you know what I love? With him, it's not just his ass bouncing, it's also his legs bouncing. And I don't know.
我觉得这是我就是做 Gogo， 就是让我感到最快乐的一件事情。
One, this is the runway. What is the runway? This is the runway. Let's go, Hugo, your turn, your turn. Do this. This one. Jenny, that like Jenny, that like Jenny, like. Hey, Jenny, hey.
Okay, in these 5 years dancing, in this time, I meet a lot of people, you know, because you are all the time in a stage, so when you finish, too many people want to say hi to you, to take picture or ask for your WeChat or something. Like they look you like you're artist, you have a great performance, your body is amazing, blah, blah, blah. So that helped a lot, actually.
You got so much opportunities to travel. I've been to so many countries which I never been. I really traveled a lot and met a lot new guys, new friends, and it's kind of a wonderful moment of my recently life. I like that.
Stage, let's go. And 1, 2.
The best thing of my job is representing something different, something that's progressive and in a way also triggering. Because I really want to introduce people the beauty and the art form of queer performances. You know, we just enjoy, we just have fun. And at the same time also represent queer lifestyle and queer art forms. I travel about like once, twice a month, a little bit everywhere, like Indonesia, Japan, Taiwan, Thailand. We're going to Korea with the boys to do a shoot, which is very exciting, but also a bit nervous because, you know, they're all big and then there's me. I'm just tiny.
We love the high life. We love the high life. We love the high life. We love the high life.
Yuhan has a weird habit. He always bring his teddy bear.
My babies, I sleep with them.
Diva number 2.
No, I'm diva number 1.
Planning to do some Botox.
You were supposed to be here by what time?